Zoe's having a great night. I think she's a little bit more eager than she usually is. Let's see if she can obey some commands. Zoe, go to your crate. Good girl. Now come here. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Awesome. Get up. Get up. Great. Go to your crate. Good girl. Zoe, come here. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl. Okay, get up. Come here. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Get up. Get up. Sit. Sit. Zoe, sit. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. You're such a good dog.